Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing this UAG Exoskeleton universal case and giving you a quick hands-on review. So guys, here's the case and this is how the packaging looks like, and on the front it boasts about all the great things. This is a universal case, so you can literally use this case for many Android tablets, whether it's a Samsung Tab S series, A series or even E series. I personally tried it with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S first generation and the latest 10.5-inch Samsung Tab A, and it worked perfectly. So it is truly a universal case and it's even drop tested, so that's really cool. Now this is how it looks on the back. So at the top we have some highlighting features like impact resistance, that drop resistance. It even has a pen holder. It is pretty lightweight. It's a universal fit, just as I've told you. It even has a hand grip, which I'll show you in a minute. And finally, it even has a kickstand, which can give you two different positions. Now this is how the case looks like, and over here we have some specifications and pricing. On the box it's priced at 4,200 rupees, but right now it's being sold in GreedyTech website at 3,000 rupees. It is even available on Amazon, but it's slightly more pricier. So if you want the best deal, I'll suggest you to get it on GreedyTech website. You can also use their GreedyTech coupon to get 10% discount and use the social widget to get up to 13% discount. So you can get it at a pretty good price. So guys, now without any further delay, let me just open it up. So guys, this is the case and it comes with a nice instruction manual, and that's it. So let me just put that aside. So here's the universal case, and this is how it looks on the back. Now right out of the box it might feel a little flimsy with moving parts, but once you fix it on a tablet it's pretty firm. So there are two motions, it goes left and right and top and bottom as well. So that's basically what makes it universal stand. Now this is how it looks on the back. All this is made of some hard plastic, and on the inside these areas are made of some soft rubber which can provide you some drop resistance. Now I'm going to test it with the Samsung Tab A 10.5-inch. This was the one that's launched recently. Putting it on is pretty simple. Let me just go fix it in one direction. By the way, for this particular case, camera is going to be blocked. That's just the design of the tablet. And now one part of it is fixed. Now it is completely fixed. Now this is how the tablet looks once we put on the case, and on the back, as you can see, now there's no flexing issue. It's holding onto the tablet pretty firmly, and over here we have a nice little support to add in a pen like that. And over here we also have a hand strap to just place in two fingers, I guess, and then hold your tablet pretty comfortably. Now this is how the tablet looks on the front. There's a significantly raised lip on the front, and even towards the sides there is quite a bit of protection. So this case can definitely give you 100% drop protection. Now with this particular tablet, Samsung Tab A 10.5-inch, camera is positioned over here, so it's gonna get blocked. But if you're having any other Samsung tablet, say like the Samsung Tab S, S1, S2, S3, it's not going to be a problem. This case also has a neat little kickstand, nicely hidden away, and this is the positioning. So you can use this kickstand in two ways. So once you open it up, you can use the tablet in this orientation, and it's pretty good for typing as well. You can use a Bluetooth keyboard or even a wired keyboard and use it like a computer, so that's pretty good. This is the first position, and this is the angle. And the next position is just flip the tablet and just place it in that way. And now this is the angle. So you can use either of the two positions to have the best viewing experience, and it's going to be great for watching videos and doing your work as well. So guys, this is the UAG Exoskeleton case for large Android tablets. If you're looking for a good case for your large tablet, which is drop tested and also military grade certified, I can definitely recommend you this case. Price is a bit on the high side, but it's definitely worth the price. So guys, if you're interested in this product, link for that is in the description. Do check it out, and if you have any questions, do let us know by commenting below this video or tweeting out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.